All right, today I am shooting this video on the floor in a skirt. I know it doesn't make any sense, but that's what's happening today. It's that kind of day. So I'm excited because I partnered with FabFitFun because their fall box just launched and I'm gonna go through it all. I actually have not even opened this box. I have absolutely no idea what is in it, but I'm gonna show you the products. I'm gonna tell you what I like, truthfully, what I don't like, and if I'm going to use these products. And sidebar, this is the perfect time for this video because I have had a really stressful week. Anyone else out there? Like seriously, this last week or so has just been so stressful. So this is the perfect time to kind of gift myself and open the FabFitFun box because there is always such fun, cool products that I discover from the box. So anyways, just such a perfect time, kind of like a little bit of escapism right now because like I said, I'm stressed out. Okay, that aside. So for those of you guys who don't know, FabFitFun is a subscription fashion and beauty box that you get 4 times a year. It's seasonal and it's $49.99. But the best part about this box is every time you get it, you get over $200 worth of merchandise in the box, and they're all full-size products. They're not testers. I personally don't love testers because you can't even really get to use them that long to figure out if you like them. So that's what's so great about this box because everything is full size. And all right, you guys, I'm almost ready to show the stuff in the box, but hold on. And if you enter Fashion 10 at checkout, you get $10 off your first box. So it's really cool, and I'm gonna show you guys right now what's in it. All right, let's go for it. It's a little weird sitting with my skirt, but I'm gonna try and do this. Does this look, who knows how this looks? Just don't look down. Only look at the box. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got in here. I love the little like presentation. Again, you guys, this is their fall box that just came out. You get a little, Meghan Trainor's on the cover of the magazine. You get a HelloFresh gift card. That's cool, but I don't cook, but very cool. I actually have had that food and it's really good. Okay, let's see what we have in here first. Body Souffle. Always need this. Actually, body lotion and candles are the 2 things that I never ever give away. I always keep them to myself. So I am keeping this. This is the Human and Kind Body Souffle. Let's see what it smells like. Oh God, Jesus, sorry. that made an inappropriate sound too. Okay, I'm testing it right now. Let's see. Ooh, it's like, I'm not good with identifying what things smell like, to be honest, but it's florally. No, not too florally, like tropically, if that's a word. Ooh, and I love the consistency. It's really smooth and silky. And actually, I forgot to lotion up my legs, so I'm gonna do a little right now. Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh yeah, okay, you guys know how lotion works. This is a good one. Okay, next. I'm just gonna close my eyes and pick. Okay. What is this? Juice Cleanse. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm not kidding. So these are exfoliating sugar cubes. I bought these and put these in my mom's stocking last year. So I already know I love these. I just think they're such like a cute little kind of novelty gift. I love that they're sugar cubes, but then they're for your body. I love that mashup of like food and skincare. So these are Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes that you use in the bath or the shower. Sorry, Yes, I mean, I didn't even read that, but I bought these last year, so I know exactly what they do. So love these, and love that I've already been a customer. See, this box is so good. And remember, you guys, Fashion 10 and you get 10% off your first box. Okay, so this next product, ooh, I love this product. Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Ooh, I think I know what these are. And I love eye masks because I bring them on the plane and I have no shame. I will put them under my eyes. I will do a whole face mask on the plane, actually. I don't care. You know, I wanna look good when I get off the plane. I'm guessing, I'm kind of hoping these are gold, you know, because I wanna be like extra on the plane. I'm gonna try them right now. Please be gold, please be gold, please be gold. Gold foil, even better! Oh, I wanna do them right now. I'm going to, okay, I'm gonna do one. I'm sad I'm wasting it. Should I do it? Should I do it? I should do it, no. Oh, I just spent all this time on my makeup. Here, let's fake do it, let's fake. Oh my God, how beautiful. Like, this is a fashion statement. like, when you're on the plane and you have gold foil eye masks, I mean, you should just own it because they're so chic. I couldn't put it on, you guys. I just did all my makeup. I can't do it, but I love these. Ideal for travel. Oh, you guys, and the best part is you get 6 of them. So you're not even just getting one. Oh my God, I love these. I'm really excited about these. If you see a girl on the plane with gold eye masks on asleep, it's probably me. On to the next. I'm just picking, I'm making it an extra surprise. Okay, because I haven't looked in here, but then I'm just picking out. Okay, what is this? Detox Pads. Come, I need a detox. I had a lot of wine last weekend and cheese and bread. So, Detox Pads. These are Nassif MD Dermaceutical Detox Pads. Complexion Perfecting Pads. Sorry, that was kind of a tongue twister. I just love anything for the skin or the body that's detoxing because yeah, you know, sometimes I need a little detox. And these are little pads that you can use, with alpha beta hydroxy, which is good for the skin. And you use them, let's see how much you use them. Use them in the morning and evening to improve your skin's complexion. Who doesn't want that? And look at this big old thing. Like, there's a lot of pads in there, full size. I feel like this is probably, you know, almost even 50 bucks, if not more. So, good one. On to the next. Let's see, Aveda. I love Aveda. Love Aveda products. I've used Aveda products probably since I was in high school, since I just started to get into skincare. This is Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Oh, I needed this. So, I have hair issues. My hair gets really dry because I bleach the you-know-what out of it. Yes, so it gets really dry. I also live in California. It's like a dry desert here. I typically use a hair repair just from here down because weirdly enough, I'm dry from here down and oily from here up. It's a combination thing and it's a pain in my you-know-what. So I really love this because I needed another hair repair. Good one, okay. Oh, let's get on to the fashion side of it. This is a Plush ultra soft plaid scarf. Okay, this is great because plaid is like a universally appealing print. Oh gosh, I'm a fashion girl and I don't know if I'm getting that right. Okay, yes, it's a print. It's a print. Plaid is a print. There's a lot of stuff on this, so we're just gonna. Okay, this is such a great, like, nice little navy and black plaid. It's kind of like, it's a lightweight, so this is great for fall. And I don't know, let's try it on. Look at all of a sudden I'm ready to like walk the streets of NYC in the fall. Definitely not in LA because it's still 90 degrees here. So this is very pretty and this is a nice neutral. You can kind of wear this with anything or just add it to your fall outfits to give some kind of contrast. So this is such a great scarf. Now into the bathroom, hair towel. So this is After Spa hair towel and I love these because I actually use these and the one that I have right now is old. Right when I get out of the shower, I like to get as much water as possible out of my hair and then put it up so it's out of my face so I can kind of prep my skin. So this is great for that. By the way, who wants to put a massive bath towel on their head? Because then when you have it on there, you're like, whoa, 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 hoping it doesn't come unraveled. You guys know what I'm talking about? So with this, you don't have to worry about that because it's not this massive towel on your head. Okay, oh, and did I tell you guys, Fashion 10, you get 10% off your first box. So it's really $39.99. So it's pretty much a steal. Oh, I gotta resituate over here. Oh, I don't even know. Hold on, hold please. I've made a total mess. Okay, am I comfortable? I'm just moderately comfortable. All right, so what do we have here? We have Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. So with this product, it says that you can mix it with any of your favorite cosmetics products and apply to the face. So I'm not sure if you guys knew, but vitamin C is really good for the skin. So I like that this is kind of a little additive you can do to boost your skincare and just add to your skincare. So I'm excited to try this because I actually have a vitamin C product that I'm running out of. So now I can replace it with this. All right, do we have anything else in here? That's not it. Okay, so we did it. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was so good. Look at all these products. This is so exciting. I'm gonna wear them all and use them all. And this was just such a fun video. I don't know why I'm holding everything. I just am. I wanted to show you, whoa, the value. Okay, I just tried to carry everything. It's not gonna work. All right, I've included the link in the description so you can get your subscription box. Don't forget to enter Fashion 10 at checkout for $10 off your first box. That means your first box is $39.99. And I think I showed you guys today, this is just like such a great value and things I will actually use. So I would love to hear what you thought. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.